Nobody hands you a manual when you buy or sell a house, so most people just wing it and hope it works out. I'm Juan, and I'm here to make sure you don't have to, and this channel is where all that starts to make sense. I've been in Florida real estate since 2016 after 30 years building and selling businesses, so I don't look at your home as just a transaction. I see it as one of the most powerful wealth building tools you'll ever own. Here, we'll cover how down payment assistance actually works, how to save for your first home without giving up your life, money-saving tips to maintain the home you've got, and how to use your equity to build into more real estate down the road. We cover the truth to selling your home and how to avoid pitfalls in money-losing upgrades and expenses. You will learn how to sell your home using a proven method and get the most money the market can give. No jargon, no pressure. Just honest, practical advice, the kind I'd give a friend. If that's what you need, hit subscribe. New videos every week.